Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. I don't know how many of you use your machine very often, but now and again I just leave it sat there for, I don't know, a few weeks, and sometimes I disconnect the battery. So today I just popped the battery on and I said, let me just give it a start. Pop the ignition on, and guess what? It doesn't start. And I fiddled with it on and off and on and off, ignition on, ignition off, and I could see it's starting. I could see a bit of life in the dash. I said, it's just must be some oxidation there. So I've used the contact cleaner. It did work. It sorted my problem, but did it really? Watch the video. If it still has battery, hope it does. Oh, come on, man. So if you guys want me to open the ignition and have a look, see if I can find an easy fix, drop a comment and let me know. Right, so see if that does the trick. But did that really sorted my problem? Not really. Oh yeah. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed, hit subscribe button. It really helps the channel grow. See you next time. Peace.